Let's take a look at Wagner's new Smart Logger for data logging ambient relative humidity and temperature. As a commercial flooring installer, how many times have you been out on the job site to do concrete moisture testing and really thought to yourself, what are the ambient relative humidity and temperature like in the environment where I'm doing testing during that testing period? There's also a lot of people out there that don't realize that that's part of the documentation process for doing F2170 compliant testing. Wagner's now come out with a device called the Wagner Smart Logger, which is an ambient relative humidity and temperature data logging device that utilizes Bluetooth technology. So you can take the very small device and hide it somewhere on the job site so that during the time that you're not there but doing the concrete moisture testing, you have the ability to monitor and document and store the ambient relative humidity and temperature in the environment. Now, I also hear people talk about it. It'd be nice if I had a device like that on the job site when I was doing the installation to ensure that I was compliant with the manufacturer's guidelines for the ambient relative humidity and temperature during installation. Again, Smart Logger works great for that. So utilizing a smart device, you have the ability to scan the barcode on the back, pick up either real-time data, so you're getting the information right now, relative humidity and temperature, or if you leave it on the job site, you can come back utilizing the smart device and extract the information that's in there. The nice part is it formats a very, very nice, simple, concise report that gives you minimums and maximums for relative humidity and temperature, gives you the duration of time that the device was being tested, and it also allows you to have graphing and emailing capability directly from your smart device. So right on the job site, you're able to send that information either back to your home office or to your client. One of the biggest questions is, how long will it data log? Well, you have the ability to configure the device so that you can decrease the signal strength and get up to 300 days of data logging at 1 hour data logging intervals. So you're able to get plenty of information for most of the job sites that are out there. So hit me up on Twitter at RapidRHRep and let me know how you document and or record your ambient relative humidity and temperature when you're doing concrete moisture testing.